Hey guys, Tash and Ninja here. We're just doing a treatment on Ninja's neck today. All right, so we're just gonna lay face down, Ninja. We're gonna get straight into it. All right? Awesome. All right, so just gonna start up here, the base of the skull. Get that connection, feel that bone straight away. How's that pressure, Ninja?
Yeah, easy. It's okay. Good.
Yeah. Just introducing myself to the area, to the body. Make sure that you're not a threat to the body. Kind of sinking in, slow but strong and firm in that area at the same time. All right. We're going to start to slowly make our way down along the side here. So it's really such a hot spot for people, I think. Would you agree, Ninj?
Correct.
This area? Yeah. So important. Lots of head, shoulder tension, neck tension. Just builds up in this area. A lot of the radiating can go up towards the head, to your eyes. Can get referral headaches, and even just restriction through these neck muscles. They can really restrict your movement, turning around, just that freedom in your shoulders and your neck. When you're driving, trying to turn, do a head check, and just living and moving. And, people get used to feeling really stuck and stiff in these areas, and they don't realise that they're supposed to be able to, turn your head all the way, have like 180 degrees there, and move. So we're just getting through this, moving nice and slow, really staying close and connected there. Can you feel that still, Ninj?
Yeah, it's great. Great line.
Good, yeah.
Could just sense every millimetre that was being effective.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, it's good.
Good, yeah. So I'm just tracing around here a bit. Yeah. Slight little angle changes, kind of, facing up a little bit there. Grabbing that thick ropey muscle. A little bit of movement. Any referrals, Ninj?
No, just really where your thumb is, feeling it.
Yep, cool.
Yeah.
Awesome.
It's a good spot.
Yeah. So you really just got to, using your thumb as the tool. You really want to use that padding of your thumb, not be too, pointy. You don't want to use too much of just the top, and you probably won't last too long if you're using that area. You want to use that padding there, and use the joint, the knuckle kind of area to be a bit more sharper or firmer on it, and then you can kind of go back to the padding if you want to soften it up a little too. Yeah, but be careful of your posture as well while you're treating. Make sure you're not crouching over too much, slouching with your back. You really want to keep yourself strong. Use the tables, squat, move around, because it's going to help the treatment as well. Any little movements help change the angles. Make sure you're picking up all these little tight niggles and knots for Ninja.
Yeah.
Cleaning it out, aren't we?
Yeah.
It's a big
awesome.
sweep. Big sweep. Right from the base of the skull, sweeping all of that out and away. Yeah. And create some flow for Ninj.
That's it.
Yeah.
If I can, little comment, feels like Tash, I've got a remote control in my head, and I'm guiding Tash exactly down the path that I need the work. That's how my sense is, like getting the perfect treatment for me. So it's that's the value you can get getting this kind of treatment. It just can really be tailored and pinpoint exactly where you've got stress, where you've got build up of tension and scar tissue, whatever it might be.
Yeah.
Just blocked up tissue, and you can melt it and calm it and get it to heal.
That's it.
Yeah, that's what we want.
Exactly. especially this area that we're coming up to. There's a lot of, it's like kind of like a corner, isn't it?
Yeah.
Where the neck muscles meet the shoulders. So a lot kind of bunches up, like we always talk about, everything, getting stuck in the corners. So you want to clean, get into the corner.
Oh, that's so good.
Make sure we're getting in there and really getting all of that rubbish, all those weeds that get into the corner.
Yeah.
Get stuck.
There's a bit of referral in that bit for me.
Okay.
Yeah. Sensing it down in my shoulder blade or something.
Yeah?
It's sort of,
Yeah?
yeah, it's vague, but there's something, feeling it somewhere else,
Mm-hmm. Sometimes it can be hard to pinpoint the referral as well. Yeah?
It's like it's spasming in my shoulder blade somewhere.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, it's really,
Yeah.
it's cool, but it's taking the tension out.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I
in
think
there.
I saw a little bit in there.
Bit of a twitch.
Yeah. That's what's cool as well. Watching those areas as you do it, watching around and seeing what kind of reacts.
Yeah.
Awesome. That's good. Yeah, so we're still in this corner. This area needs a lot of change of angle and change of positioning of the thumb, because there's so many crossover of different muscles and tendons. So real up and under there. I like doing it this way because I think the client's usually the most relaxed in this position. So all these muscles are, slack, and you can really work the tissues and get in and around. Yeah. Still feeling all right, Ninj?
Yeah, it's good.
Awesome.
Spot on.
Good. Yeah. Great. Alrighty. So I'm probably gonna just turn around that corner and slowly sink out there. So this is something I do all the time at work. Helps so many people with dysfunction in their neck, with pain, with headaches, migraines, something that can really help out. So if you feel like you need this, which most people do, I think, come in, get a treatment, and I'll fix you up.
Yeah,
Yeah?
Yeah, get
That's
it
it.
done. Come
Yeah,
on.
come in.
Best treatment in the world.
Yeah.
Everyone needs it. Even if you don't have a sore neck, you've probably got tension in here.
Exactly.
So, yeah.
Exactly. Everyone. It's for everyone.
Maintenance. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, prevention is better than cure.
That's it.
Don't let it build up.
Exactly. Yeah.
That's it.
Come and see us. Like,
Subscribe.
subscribe, share.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Helps us out.
Yeah. Come and see me, guys. Tash from MMT. Feeling good, Ninj?
Beautiful.
Awesome.
So good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Done.